back to my channel. It's your girl Jamaica here, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, I'd love it if you subscribe and join the family. And if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this bomb ass look, girl. I beat my face to the gods, and this is a inspired look by a fellow YouTuber. I saw this look on Instagram and I absolutely fell in love and I had to recreate it, so I did it today. This is her Instagram page and also her YouTube page, so you guys can go check out her channel and also her Instagram. Just wanted to come in and do my intro for you guys and tell you guys to don't forget to subscribe before you start watching this video, and also to give it a big thumbs up and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video. So I'm just gonna stop talking now and let you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Okay guys, so now I'll be going in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face as my base for my foundation. Okay guys, so now that we have that all in, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses Go Brow Kit, and I'm going to fill in my brows very lightly, and then we're going to conceal them using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut and Suede. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the shade Malawi. Guys, I absolutely love this foundation. It is so full coverage. As you can see, I didn't even use a lot and it covered every single dark spot I have on my face. Now we'll be going in with my Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in the shade number 8, and then I'm going to go on top and use the number 12. We're going to just blend to the heavens, you know, give us that flawless smooth skin using our beauty blender. Okay guys, so before I blend out my under eyes, I'm going to use my Black Radiance contour stick, and this is in the shade Espresso. I'm just showing you guys here, and I'm just gonna blend that out so I can have a nice contoured base. Okay guys, so now I'll be going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder. Guys, I love this powder so much. It's so flawless and smooth. And that's on period, boo, period. So now I'll be going in with my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm using that really warm toned brown to contour, or not to contour but to bronze really. I got this from my favorite YouTuber Kiki Adams. She uses this shade to contour or bronze up her clients, and I love it. So now I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour palette, and I'm using the Sculpt shade in this one to actually contour my face. Here I just used the Maybelline Superstay foundation powder to just set the rest of my face. Okay guys, so now for the eyes, I'll be using the Juvia's Place The Warrior 2 palette. I know guys, I'll be using a lot of Juvia's Place palettes in this video, but I love Juvia's Place. So I'll be using those first 2 shades as my crease and transition shade. Okay guys, so we're going to go back into the Zulu palette and we're going to use that same warm tone brown, and we're just going to apply it all over the eye just to give it a little bit more warmth. Okay guys, so now I'll be going in with my e.l.f. glitter primer. I'll be using my fingers to apply this to the center of my lids so that it can be the base for my shimmer shadows. Guys, another Juvia's Place palette. I'm using the Festival palette and I'm using that champagne gold to apply to the center of my lid. Okay guys, so another Juvia's Place palette. I'm using the Nubian 2 palette and I'm using that champagne gold that's a little bit lighter, and then I'll just be using any leftover product on my crease brush just to blend out the edges of my eyeshadow. Here I'll be using my LA Girl base in white. I just use that to line my waterline, and then I'm going to apply the blue from my Zulu palette to add the effect. Now I'll be using my Black Radiance Baked Bronzer to highlight, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones and my nose. Here I'm just applying my MAC Chestnut Lip Liner to line my lips, and then I'll be using the Beauty Concepts lipstick. I don't know the name of this color guys, please don't kill me in the comments, but I really don't know. And then I'm just going to apply some clear gloss on top. And that's basically it guys. I'm just going to spray my face using the Montecute Beauty Glow Mist, and that's basically it. Your girl's looking like a whole snack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you love this look, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my social media. They will all be linked down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.